Tom Knotek here with MarineMax Sail and Ski in Austin, Texas. Thank you for tuning in, and it's a good thing you did because I'm going to show you a boat we just got in pretty recently. It's a very lightly pre-owned 2020 G23. So this boat has a trailer included. It is the boat that has the best resale value of any wake boat out there, and this boat is loaded. So if you want to come along with me, I'm going to take you through my 5 favorite features on this gen.
Favorite feature has to be these rear facing transom seats with this insulated cooler for your drinks while you're lounging at the back transom. As we look under the engine hatch, you'll notice this boat is equipped with a step up from the stock engine at the ZR7. Another must-have feature is this windshield defroster for those dawn patrol early morning sets, or if you're looking to extend your season into the fall or even get some spring riding in, you've got this heater which you can put inside of your clothing or under your shirt, and it'll keep you nice and warm. When lounging in the bow of this boat, you want to be able to rest both those arms out, so you'll have 2 retractable armrests that you can simply put up or put down. My last favorite feature has already shown its cards potentially, but the interior color design combo on this boat is killer, where you'll see the Mojave as the main color into the Admiral blue accents and that mystic white tying everything together.
Thanks for checking out my 5 favorite features on this beautiful pre-owned 2020 G23. This boat will not be available long, so if you're looking to get out on the best time of the season here in the fall, you can reach out to me directly at 512-774-0866. Otherwise, I will catch you next time here at the boat dealership or possibly riding on the lake.